Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Antank Switch Dock Station, which is compatible with the Nintendo Switch. And of course, Switch OLED, organic light emitted diode. This is the new version of the Nintendo Switch. Ooh. It's a portable television docking station. It's a replacement charging dock station with 4K and 1080p HDMI and 2 USB 3.0 ports. It's available in yellow, as seen here. This is the It's looked like a Pikachu, isn't it? Yes, I like it really much. Of course, it's available in white and red, white too, I think. That is a unique exterior. The cute mini spherical Switch dock with long ears. Not only a portable Switch television dock, but also a game-style decoration. 45 degrees comfortable, elevating the angle brings us a better visual experience. We let the Switch or Switch Lite or Switch OLED stand to charge instead of sliding into the Switch dock station, avoiding scratch Switch screen. And it's one key switch. The Switch docking station can be easily and freely switched between the tabletop mode and the television mode with the switch button on the Switch dock itself. The HDMI port of the dock supports the television's 4K display, bringing us a high-definition gaming experience. We should remove the protective case of the game console when using this Switch dock, because this is really cool design, because it is with two little awesome designed ears on top of it, and so you can slide it into position. We can play while charging. The built-in high-efficiency chip in the Switch docking station fully supports television mode and simultaneously charging, and the heat dissipation effect is increased by 30%. We should use the official power supply when playing while charging, which is safer for Switch consoles, okay? And dust-proof and anti-skid. The carton Switch charging dock has a cover to prevent dust from entering the Type-C port, and the anti-skid pad at the bottom prevents it from sliding around or dropping. That's not so good if your Switch will be dropped. No. But in this case here, it's not necessary to drop our Switch. Here you can see it stands really stable. It's a small size, fits well in pocket or travel bags at any time, and we enjoy games with our friends if we want. As a replacement for the official Nintendo Switch dock, its working ability is the same as the official standard. All output ports of the television dock are designed on the back to make the cables look more neatly arranged. There is an extra USB 3.0 port on the back side, which can be used to connect a wired controller, a Bluetooth audio transmitter for example, and other accessories. And this looks so nice. Super cute and portable dock for Nintendo Switch and Switch Lite and Switch OLED version. 4K HD output, small and portable, fast charging, charge while playing, one key switch, and a USB 3.0 port. No, not only one, there are two of them. Nice. This is the Antank Switch dock station. She comes from Antank. The color is yellow. The ports are HDMI, USB Type-C male and a female. The USB-A 3.0. The power input comes with the USB-C, and the USB-C input is possible with 5 volt 3 ampere, 9 volt 3 ampere, 12 volt 3 ampere, 15 volt 2.6 ampere. And the built-in USB-C output comes with 5 volt 2 ampere, 9 volt 2 ampere, 12 volt 2 ampere, 15 volt 2 ampere. Oh yeah. USB-A output comes with 5 volt 1 ampere. The HDMI output is possible with 1080p, 2K and 4K, because it supports 4K 1080 and 720p video output as you need and like. After connecting the dock adapter to the television projector with the HDMI cable and charged the plugged in, we enjoyed the game time, okay? But for this, we should use the original AC adapter. And it's a charging standard television adapter. It supports smartphones as a dock for charging and video output from smartphones to television or projector if you like. So you can see it's not only compatible with the Switch, it's also good for your smartphones with USB-C. It comes with a built-in high efficiency chip, short circuit protection, overheating protection, overpower protection, and recovery protection. And it's really easy. We connect the HDMI cable to the television, then we connect the power adapter. Oh yeah, we put our console on, and then we press the converter button to convert the video from game console to television. But this works automatically too. And there is another thing. If it is transfer the HDMI signal to your television, the device will glow. That's awesome. Yeah, that's easy, and it looks so cute. So cute, like a Pikachu. This is the awesome Antank Switch dock. Oh yeah, it's a station, a compatible station with Nintendo Switch and Switch OLED. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.